Next share. Right. Can you guys hear me clear? Give me a thumbs up. Am I audible? Yeah, thanks. Last week we have started the logic gate part. So we have to continue the other parts. Today we are starting from the Boolean expression simplifications. I will share the image of laws to the chat. You can download it and save. Give me 1 minute. I will send the image. Meantime, you can save it. Right. Your page number is page number 7. Laws for Boolean expression simplification. I will send you a image of laws. Then it will be easy for you. Give me a few seconds. I will send you the chat. Right. Did you get the image in the chat? Can you please confirm? You can save the time. Right. I have sent the image to the chat. Did you get? Let me check. Give me 1 second. I think we have a network problem.
Recording in progress.
Right. Now did you get it? Let's start fast. Right. This is the laws we need to simplification of Boolean expression. Now you see what we need to simplification of Boolean expressions. Why we need that? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea about that? Why we need to simplify the Boolean expressions? Yes. In the electronic items, we have same item in different sizes. If you get a watch, we have a small size, and if you get a digital watch, we have a large size. Same thing doing the mechanism is same, but the size is small. Did you get my point? We have to simplify each and every logic gates to get the equipment make it small, but the output is same. For that, we have to use these kind of laws. Did you get the image that I have shared in the screen chat? Give me thumbs up. Please save it in your phone. Yeah, you have to write it after the class. Meantime, you can use it. That was written by me, so you can use it. You can write it in your own in your notebook. Okay, after the class. Right. I have sent the so many laws for you. We can use that for the simplification of Boolean expressions, right? After that, we can get a large size of logic gates. I will show you some example. Right. If you get example as this logic circuit, these have not gates like that way. We have another line like that. This is too much big. After the simplification, you are getting this kind of size logic gate. Here, it will get same output, not this. I will get as example for the big circuits. After the simplification, we can get the small size circuits, right? Today we are starting from that one. Are you guys ready? Let's do it, right? Right. First one, I will give you an example. Then you can get the idea, right? I will share my first example. Right. In the Boolean law sheet, I have shared in the chat. If anyone join now, I will share it again. Right. In the Boolean expression rule sheet, I will show you one example. If we have a dot a in a Boolean expression, you can get it as a. Huh? How do you? Let's make a truth table. I will show you that. If it is a in the truth table 0 and 1, no problem. If it is A dot A, we need to get A into 1. A multiplied by A. Let's take it. A dot A. A dot A means we need to get this A multiplied by again with A. Okay. 0 into 0, again 0. 1 into 1, 1. Did you get my point? 0 into 0, again 0. 1 into 1, again 1. Give me thumbs up if you get that. Then we can get, if there are any sentence in a Boolean expression in A dot A, you can get as A directly because both are equal. Did everyone get my point? Let's try another one. There are so many laws in the sheet. I have shared in this chat. I think all of you all download that one. Please download it to the mobile phone. If you didn't download it, I will send the WhatsApp. If you have any problem with downloading, let's send a message. I will send you WhatsApp. Are you guys okay? Let's try another one. Let's get another law. The first one is idempotent law. Next one is identity law. I will get identity law. In the identity law, we have, they are saying 1 dot A equal to A. What is it? 1 dot A equal to A. Is it possible? Let's check. Right, first one. If you make a truth table, 1 is always 1. If we get A means 0 and 1. You can remind the NOT gate. NOT gate have only one input. Then we make truth table for NOT gate. What happened? If we input, it's getting A bar. For the truth table, A is getting 0 and 1 only. Same like this. If it is A, we are getting 0 and 1. If it is 1, both lines are 1. Right? Then we know it to multiply because we need to get the 1 dot A. 1 into 0, it's getting what? 1 into 0, we are getting 1. No, not 1 now. 1 into 0, we are getting 0. Who said in the chat in the 1? 1 into 1, again 1. Now we know A dot A means 0 and 1. Are you guys okay? Give me a thumbs up if you are okay. The A is already 0 and 1. Now we can identify both are equal. So if you have 1 dot A in a Boolean expression, you can get as A. Likewise, we have in the list we have all tested. You also can try it, right? Please write down 1 or 2 samples. I will show you meantime another one here. Let's try another one. I am getting inverse law. Number 3, inverse law. I have shared the law sheet to the chat. I will send it again to the new joiners. You need to write down this one at the end of the class. Please write down it in the new sheet. Right, let's take another one. we are going to check if that inverse law is correct. What we take? A dot A bar. They are telling A dot A bar is, they said A dot A bar equals 0. Let's check. Sir, boru kiyanawad danne. Let's check. A dot A bar equals 0. Right. First, we are going to take A. A means 0 and 1. The last answer should be 0, 0. Let's check if this is correct. A bar means we know to get the inverse of the A. If it is A 0, A bar means 1. If it is 1, we are getting 0. Now we have A and A bar. Then we need to multiply A into A bar. What we get here? I will take the answer here. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Now you can get, if there is a sentence like A dot A in a Boolean expressions, you can take directly as 0. Right? I will show you now as example. Are you guys write this one? If you finish, give me a thumbs up. If you have problems, please put it in the chat. If you don't understand, please put that also. Akila, Hansika, are you guys okay? I can see the chat. What about others? Imasha, Manoj, Mario, Seshani, are you guys okay? Subhash, Venuja. Right, let's go to the exercise. Shall I close this screen? Can I take new one? Right, thank you. Right, let's go to the exercise. I will give you one example, then I will give you to you. Do alone. Let's get ready. Right. First one. What will be the first one? Number 1. AB plus AB bar. AB plus AB bar. We need to simplify that with using Boolean laws. We have 9 laws in your sheet. Right. Now we are going to simplify this using Boolean laws. We have 9 laws in the sheet. I have shared in the chat. If you guys not get the law sheet, please add the chat. I will again send. Right. First one is AB plus AB bar. How do you simplify this? Do you have any idea? Which law we need to use first? We have distributive law, redundancy law, double complement law, commutative law. Yeah, first one is what? I will show you one. Law 3. Someone says you can use law 3. What about law 3? A, B bar. We can't use inverse law. because if we are need to use inverse law, here we have used, we here have a dot a bar. Here only we have a dot b bar. We can't use inverse law here. We can use distributive law. Please check the distributive law. I have shared the image with you. What happened in the distributive law? In the distributive law, they have multiplied into the bracket a into b, ab plus a into c, ac. If this is equal, we can make bracket from here. We can get the a to the out. Then b and b bar will be inside of the bracket. Nice, good. Someone has added the chat. What we do? You can take to the both parties a is common. We can't get the b. We can get a to the out. Then inside the bracket, you can keep b here plus and b bar here. Is that correct? In the distributive law, you can take brackets. You can create brackets. How you create brackets? You need to take common features to the out. First one is a is common for the both parties. You can take a as common in the outside of the bracket. Then b and b bar will be inside of the bracket. If you need to create again that statement, you need to multiply into the bracket. A into b, ab, a into b bar, ab bar. Are you guys okay? Give me a thumbs up. Shall we go to the next step? Right. We have missed one thing. We need to write the law in front of the statement. Which law we have used here? Distributive law. DIVE law. I have used here distributive law. Right. Number 2. Number 2 is finished. Number 3. Then what we do for the next? We have b plus b bar here. Can you give him a shot? Can you destroy him? B plus b bar. Which location are you going to add the next law? Is that a or b plus b bar? Give me a suggestions. B plus b bar. B plus b bar, like in the laws we have inverse law. It's like a plus a bar equal 1. If it is a plus a bar equal 1, then b plus b bar equal, what will we have? Please add to the chat, everyone. If it is a plus a bar equal 1, then b plus b bar. Good. It will be only the change the letters. A plus a bar equal 1. Then b plus b bar, it's only the change the letter. B plus b bar equals same as the below one. 1. Then b plus b bar you can get as 1 here. In the bracket we are getting 1. Outside of the bracket we already have 1. What is the law? Inverse law. INVERSE. What happened here? In the inverse law, a plus a bar equal 1. Then you can take any letters to assign here. If it is a, b, c, you can get c plus c bar. Same as 1. Z plus z bar. Again 1. You can assign any letter to the laws. Did you get my point? You can assign any letter for the laws. Now what we do to here? Can we keep it like this? Do you have any idea? Give me an answer. Any champions? Can we keep like this, or can we do more simplifications? If we can create bracket here, nice. Who is that? I think Shehan. Right. There are so many people. Nice. Thank you. You can multiply A into the bracket. Good. A into 1. Final answer is A. The law is distributive law. If we can common element from the bracket, we can multiply into the bracket also same distributive law. Both are same. Then you can multiply into the bracket A into 1. Final answer is A. Nice. Shall I give you one example for you to try yourself? Guys, ready? Shall I give you one? Right, let's try. Please write down. Right, this is for you. Get ready, guys. Number 2. Number 2. Here we have BC plus BC bar plus BA. BC plus BC bar plus BA. Only C have a bar. First of all, you tell me which law you are going to take first. Then I can understand you have get my point. In here, which law is most suitable for the first one as the first one? Someone says law 8. Which one is law 8? What about others? Someone says, sir, take the law 8. Nice. Manut said, sir, take the law 8. Mario said, take the law 8, distributive law. Do we have a common element in the both every group? Group 1, group 2, group 3. Do we have any common elements? Which one is the common for both, for all parties? Nice. Which one is the common? We have 2 answers, 3 answers. B is common for all parties. You can get the B out first. Take the B out. In the bracket, who will be there? First group we are getting C plus. In the second group we are getting C bar. If we get B out, in the last group we are getting A. Here I have problem. I cannot write the law name here. I will write here. Shall I erase this? Okay. Right. Number 2. BC plus BC bar plus BA. I think that's the question. First of all, you need to get the B from all parties. The first group we are getting, if we get it B, we have C inside the bracket. The next part, if we get B, we are getting C bar inside the bracket. The last one, if we get B, we have A inside the bracket. The law is distributive law. Which law we are going to take in the next part? Any suggestions? Any heroes? Do you have any heroes? Someone says law 3. Let's wait for others. I have gave this for try alone. Manoj says law 3 takes C plus C bar equal 1. Mario said inverse law. Then after that identity law. We have many solutions. Yeah? Good, good. Nice. Imasha said sir take inverse law. Nice. Let's try. I will check the law sheet. Please write down in your own note, because I have shared in the chat. Please download it before the class ends. If not, send me a WhatsApp message. I will send again the image. What we do for here? We have C plus C bar. We can destroy him. Which law we need to destroy him? Which law we have used? Someone says inverse law. Let's check inverse law. A bar, A dot A bar. If it is A dot A bar, no, A dot A bar we can use. A plus A bar. A plus A bar equal 1. Inverse law. If it is A plus A bar equal 1, C plus C bar, same, 1. A plus A bar equal 1 now. C plus C bar equal same thing, only the letter. C plus C bar equal again 1. Now we can use inverse law. Plus A, B is same, law is inverse. What will be the next? Don't use 2 or more laws in a one row. Only use one law at a time. For this one, only one law. Manoj said, sir, next use identity law. Let's check identity law. Identity law. 1 plus A. 1 plus A. What about 1 plus A? 1 plus A. 1 plus A. 1 plus A equal 1. Good. Vinod said 1. Thank you. 1 plus A equal, we can get. Please check the law number 3. Inverse, no. Identity law. In the identity law, we can get 1 plus A equal 1. 1 plus A equal 1. Within the bracket, we have get 1. Outside the bracket, we are getting B. The law is identity. Now we are in the last step. Yeah, someone has sent image. You can complete that one. I will check the example. Hansika send a screenshot. So can we use it like this way? Okay. Right, Hansika. That's also correct. I'll share the Hansika's example for you. Please check this one. She has that one another way. In the beginning of, she only take B from 2 part is only. The BA is destroyed in the last row. Are you guys okay? Now it's very easy. B into 1, last answer is B. Yeah, the same way. The final answer should be same. Shall I give you another one? Here you need to write the last one. B into 1 means distributive law. Shall I give you another one? Guys ready? Right. Number 3. C plus BC bar. C plus, this is little bit difficult. Number 3, C plus BC bar. What we do first here? Can we use De Morgan law? Please check that one. If it is A dot B full bar equal A plus B, the bar has divided into A and B. Here dot have changed to the plus. I will show you the example. Now you can understand. Please check this one. A dot B bar, they are saying A plus B bar. Here what happened? The dot has been changed to the plus. If you are changing dot into the plus, the law is De Morgan law. Law number 4, De Morgan law. Did everyone find that? De Morgan law. Law number 4. Right. What happened there? If we are changing dot into plus, we can divide the full bar into A and B. What happened here? We have a full bar here. It's assigned to A dot B. If you are changing here dot into plus, we can get full bar into 2 parts. Then we can do that same here. What we can do here? Shall I give you time? What we can do for the BC bar? Here we have dot. BC, in the middle of the BC we have dot. Oh, someone has been entered the final answer. Vedija has been sent the answer is B. Let's check. Answer should be, I will tell you the final answer. Final answer is 1. Final answer should be 1. Try again. Okay. See, we are not changing. In the next one, within the bracket, we have B bar plus C bar. The law is De Morgan. Did everyone get my point? Please give a thumbs up. If you don't understand, please add to the chat. Here we have B dot C and full bar. If we can use in the De Morgan, if it is A dot B full bar equal A bar plus B bar, we are changing dot into plus, and the full bar we are divided into two parts. If it is B dot C bar, we can use same method. B here, C here, we are changing dot into plus, and we are giving two bars for each parties. So can't we use the associate law? What about associate law? In the associate law, if it is A outside and B dot C inside the bracket, the other side is C getting out and AB is inside the bracket. Did you try it, manager? Both sides should be equal. What about others? Are you guys finished? Or are you guys on sleep? If you finish, please give me a thumbs up. I can get the count. Nice. We have here all plus, so we don't need the bracket anymore. You can remove it. Here we have all the parties have plus. We don't need bracket anymore. We don't need the bracket because here also plus, here also plus. No need bracket. Now what we do? We have C plus, B bar plus, C. Nice. There's a law called communicative law in the law number 6. You can change element in nearest parties. You can change here. I will show you one example. A dot B equals B dot A. The answer is same. We are only changing the letters. A we are getting to the last, B are getting to the first. A plus B we can change as B plus A. Nothing affected to the final answer. You are only changing the letters. Can you do it here? Then you can get the both C into the near. Let's try. C plus, we are changing this one. C bar get into the near to the B bar and B bar get into the C bar. We are changing letters. What is the law? Communicative law. Did you get my point? Someone has sent the answers to the chat. Good. We have one answer from who is this? Manut. I will send you. This is the answer that I get from Manut. Thank you. You can check that. Now, what is the next law you are going to use in the next row? Who is going to destroy next? Is that C or B? Nice, nice. Someone said C. We can destroy the C, ne? What is the law name? Please type it in the chat. Which law you are going to use to destroy C plus C bar? Nice, nice. There are so many answers. What about others? If you don't understand, please give me a chat. Then I will again and teach you. Absorption law. What is that? Is there any name, another name for that one? Inverse law. Right. We are taking inverse law. Right. We can destroy C plus C bar using inverse law. What is inverse law? A plus A bar equal 1. Then C plus C bar equal same 1 plus B bar. The law is inverse. What about the next? Now we have 1 plus B bar. Here 1 plus B bar is like 1 plus A bar. You can change the letter. If it is B, you can change it to A. Then compare with the law sheet. Nice. There are some answers in the chat. Manut said use identity law. Let's check. Any suggestions? What about others? What we do for the 1 plus B bar? 1 plus B bar. What we do for the 1 plus B bar? In the identity law, you can find in the last row 1 plus A bar equal 1. If it is 1 plus A bar equal 1, nice. If it is 1 plus A bar equal 1, you can take 1 plus B bar, same name 1. The final answer is 1. Are you guys clear? Yeah, okay. Please write the law. Which law we have used in the last identity. Now you can understand. You have to write down in front of the desk, in the wall. This kind of law. Yeah, you have to make a palette. Right? Someone has sent some answers. Hansika, you cannot take in the second line C dot C bar because in the first line in the bracket we have B dot C bar. So if it is both are same, if it is both are C, you can use that one. So you have added the second line as C dot C bar. We cannot do that inside inverse law. You can use. Did you get my point, Hansika? If we have two different parties B dot C, we can't use inverse law. It should be both letters. If it is A dot A or B dot B. I'll check others' answers. There are so many answers in the chat. Thank you. Thank you for the comments. Shall I give you another one? Sir, I use associate law. What about associate law? No, we can't use associate law. There's a problem in the last row. B plus within bracket we have 0. We have plus and multiply both in the second line. And first line, Hansika, we can't use associate law because please check here. If we can use associate law, here we have to keep dot. If you are going to use associate law here, you have to use dot everywhere. In our question, we don't have dot in both sides. Here we don't have dot. Here we don't have because we have plus. Please check the associate law. Associate law we have all are dot. The second answer is all are plus. Here we have mix. Here we have plus. Here we have dot. So we cannot use associate law in the first. Did you get my point? Are you guys clear? We can't use associate law because associate law. Please check inside the associate law. In the first row is everyone have dot. In the bracket, outside of the bracket, everywhere has a dot. Then you can change the letters. In here we can't use associate law because here we have plus, here we have dot. So we can't use associate law here. If it is dot here, you can use associate law. I think now you got all identified the reason I told don't use associate law. Are you guys okay? Give me a thumbs up. Someone asked, shall we use redundancy law? What about redundancy law? Let's check. Redundancy law. A plus AB. No, redundancy law we can't use because we have a bar in the upper of the bracket. In the redundancy law, we don't have any bracket. Are you okay? Redundancy law is A plus AB equal A. We have a bracket in the upper of the B dot C, so we can't use redundancy law again. Right, shall I give another one? Now you have to do it alone. I don't help. Guys, ready? Shall I click in the board? Right. Do this fast. Number 4. X. We have X. X plus Y. Not your X. Not the girlfriend. X in the bracket X plus Y. Here we have dot. What we do first? Which law you are going to take first? Just give me a hint. Any heroes? Which law you are going to use first? Heroes, please comment. No any heroes yet? I have told you every day there is a law coming as first. There is a law every day coming first. Is which law we can take every day as first? The most of the time there is a one law can use as the first one. Nice. I think now you got my point. Every day, most of the time, we are getting one law as the first one. Nice, thank you. Distributed law. You can continue. Then give me the final answer in the chat. Let's check who is the island first and district first. I am waiting on the chat. Let's see who is the district first, who is the island first. Still no one. Someone is eating the pen, someone is eating the desk. You have told me you can use distributed law. You can multiply into the brackets. X into X, X dot X plus X into Y, XY. Next, you can give the short. You can destroy who? Who is going to destroy next? Is that X or XY? Give me a hint. What you are going to do next? Is that X or XY? Which one is easy for you first? You can assign. Nice. Someone says there are some answers. Manoj, you can continue. Don't tell the others the answer. What about others? We have one answer from Manoj. Which location you are going to destroy the second? Is that X dot X or XY? You can assign A for the X, then you can get the law. If it is X dot X, you can get A dot A. Right, we have two answers. If you got the answer, final answer, please put it in the chat. Your chat cannot see the others. Only can see for me. Don't worry. Nice. You can destroy x dot x. X dot x is like what is the law? It is a dot a. Idempotent law. A dot a equal a. A dot a equal a now. X dot x equal x. A dot a equal a. X dot x equal x. You can put x here. Then plus xy. The law is idempotent law. What is the next law you are going to use? We have first answer from Manoj. I'll check the answer meantime. Manoj said the final answer is x. Seeing that's correct. Nice, nice. Subhash says redundancy law. Manoj says redundancy law. What about others? We have answers from the audience. Akila says redundancy law. Nice, nice, nice. Stupid. X plus xy redundancy law. Sir, use karma redundancy law. What is redundancy law? Redundancy law means a plus ab equal a. If it is a plus ab equal a, we are assigning x as a, then plus again x. We are assigning y as b. If it is x plus xy, the final answer is x. Redundancy law, nice. Then you can get from the redundancy law the final answer as x. Did you all get my point? Did you all understand? Please give a thumbs up. Are you guys okay? Please write the law. The last law we have used is redundancy. REDUNDANCY. Redundancy law. Shall we do another one? I'll give you a hard one. Right, this is for you. Shall I clean the board? The time is enough. Okay? Right, okay. This is for you, Lamai. Get ready. What is the number? Okay, you can keep, you can add the number. What's next? X, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z plus X, Y. Time start now. X, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z plus X, Y, Z. Everyone have dot inside here. You can suggest the first law in the chat. What we do first? You can add the law name in the chat. What is the first law you are going to use? You have one answer from Manut. What about others? Are you guys on safe? Third on නම් කියව ගන්න අපි නිදිනවා කියලා ඉතින් ගන්න. Oh, we have final answer. We have final answer from Manut. Akila, what about others? Akila, Hansika, Imasha, Manut, are you okay? Mario, Venuja, are you guys okay? We can take xy from all parties. Ne? Here we can use distributive law and take xy out from the list. Then we can keep z inside the bracket. Plus, if we take xy here, we can keep again z. Ne? In the last row, if we take xy from the out, we need to keep 1. Ne? If it is getting wrong, we have to keep 1. Distributive law. If you are taking xy in the last row, you have to keep 1. Otherwise, you cannot create again the statement. If you multiply into the bracket xy into z, xy z, xy into z, xy z. The last row xy into 1, xy. That's why we keep 1 here. Right. We have another answer from manager. Last answer, which is xy. Right. The final answer is correct. What about others? Manager, thank you for the comments. We have another answer from who is that? Venuja, Manut. We have the same answer from Venuja and Manut. Let's wait for others. What is the next law you are going to use? Which location you are going to destroy? We have another answer from Shehari. Right. Shehari's answer also correct. Thank you. I will share the Shehari's answer. If you can't type, please take a photo from the note and add to the chat. It's very easy. Then you don't want to type. This answer is from Shehari. You all can check it. Is that I pronounced correct? Shehari, right. Now we have 3 answers from Venuja. Manoj, Shahari, what about others? Yes, we can destroy the Z. Ne? What is the law? You are going to destroy Z. Z plus Z like A plus A. It's like idempotent law. Z. IDEMPOTENT. Idempotent law. If it is final answer is both are all are same, your method is correct. There's no any rules. You want to do with my way. You can do it your own way. There's no barriers, but the final answer should be same. Eh? What about next? Z plus 1 like identity law A plus 1. In the identity law, A plus 1 equal 1. Then Z plus 1 equal 1. Identity law. The final answer is distributive law. We can multiply into the bracket xy into 1. Final answer is xy. Law is distributive law. If you are guys okay, shall we move to the K-map part? Are you okay with the Boolean expression simplifications? Okay, I will give you some homework. You can do it at your home. Please write down this. You can simplify at home. I will give you the exercise. First one is now you know what you want to do. A into A into C, B into A, B into C. You can get the answer. Okay. Then you can simplify using laws. Number 2, homework. X, Y, Z plus xi. Don't do that now. You can do it home. If there any problem, you can chat with me. A bar A plus B. If you finish write down, please give a thumbs up. I will go to the next part. K map. I will share my WhatsApp number again. Thamara Athauda, right? Note 7724931112. When you are doing papers, if you have any problems, please chat with me and I will give you answers. I will give you suggestions if I got free. Okay. Right. Shall we go to the next one? Are you guys finished this one? Right? XYZ plus XY, A bar dot within the bracket A plus B. This for homework. You can try it at home. Right. We are going to the next. This is the important one. K-map simplification. Write down the answer. K-map simplifications. Write down the title. Karnaugh map. K-map. We are telling that K-map and another name for that Karnaugh map. Shall I move? Shall I clean the board? Are you guys okay? Right. Let's go. For the simplification of Boolean statement, we have two ways. First one is using Boolean laws. Right. Second option is using Karnaugh map. The easiest method is K-map. Okay. After today, you can understand which one is the easiest one for Boolean law or Karnaugh map. Let's try that one. Please write down the title Karnaugh map. K-map. Karnaugh. Karnaugh. K-map. Right. This is the theory for that. In the Karnaugh map, we are using these kind of squares. 4, 8. Which one is next? If you have 4, 8, what is the next number? Does anyone know? Nice. 60. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The next number is 16. Not the 16 Pro Max. 16. Right? To do the Karnaugh map, we need to draw these kind of squares. First one is 4, next one is 8, next one is 16. Each and every let's go to the tute first. Right, Karnaugh map page number is 10 in the tute. The full payment people will get the tute after few more days. You will get a call when it is sent to the post. Okay. Meantime, you can use the PDF. Right. In the Karnoff map, we have to make tables like this one, the 4, 8 and 16. I have drawn in the whiteboard the table with 4 items, table with 8 items, table with 16 items. Then there's another thing you need to know. We have to group inside the tables. There are some laws for that one. Right? I will tell you the laws. Now you can write with me. First one is you need to group horizontal and vertical only. First star, please write down. You need to group inside these boxes you need to group inside these boxes horizontal and vertical only. If someone do like this way, it's wrong. You can't do like this way. I think I have clearly mentioned in the tute. Here, what is correct, what is wrong, I have clearly added in the tute. You can't do like this way. If it is horizontal or vertical only. When we are grouping, when we are grouping, we can group maximum number of 2 or 4 or 8 and 16. We can group. Here, please get the idea. Here we have 1, 3, 4 A's. What is the wrong here? What will be the reason? This guy has been grouped 2 by 2. The first group is they have taken these 2. Then there's another group with 2. There's another group with 2. This is wrong, Lamai. Why? What is the reason? You need to take the highest number of groups. If you can take the 4 here, I will show you again. Here, please check this one. You can take these 4 numbers into as one group. Then you can circle the rest 2 as another group. This is the correct way. Here. Are you guys okay with me? Don't group small numbers. If you can take the highest value, you need to keep the highest value. If you have 4 numbers, don't make it 2. You can take the group as 4. The next one is you can use some cell for more than one group. Please check this one. I'll zoom it. Here what happened? This is one group. I have round with red color. We have 4. There's another group we can create. Here again we are taking 4. You can get the highest group. We are getting both groups are 4. Then there's 2, 1 is getting common for both groups. Are you guys okay? Give me a thumbs up. Right. The next one, again, some cells getting common for both groups. Here, there's one group here. There's another one group here, red and blue. You can take one cell as common for both groups. You can overlap the groups. Here, you are overlapping the this one for both groups. There's another one here. There's another one. You are overlapping groups. It's correct, huh? You can overlap the groups. Right. Let's go to the first example. Ready, guys? Now we are going to learn K-map. Right. Right. First one, K-map. This is the first example I am going to give you. First, F equal AB bar plus AB. If you are using Boolean laws, what will be the answer for this one? A B bar plus AB. What will be the final answer? Please take a rough sheets and make it fast. What will be the final answer? Right, nice. Manu said A. We can take A into the out and inside B bar and B inside the bracket. Then B plus B bar like 1. A into 1, final answer is A. This is the method of Boolean laws. Now we are going to simplify with what? K-map, right? How many English letters we have? How many the variations? How many English letters here? A and B. If it is A and B, we have 2 into 2. We have to draw 4 box. 4 box mean table. 4 element table. How to identify the table? If you have 3 English letters A, B, C, you need to draw table with 8 squares. Here, how many squares in your box? If it is A and B, please tell me everyone. If it is only have A and B, what will be the table? If it is 4 or 8 or 16? 4, good. How will we get that? If it is A and B, the 2 is getting A and B here. If it is A and B here, we are getting table as 4. Let's draw the table. Right, this is our K-map table. We have origin, and upper side I am getting A, and this one is B. And you need to put 0 and 1 to both parts. You know, if it is 0, we are getting bar. If it is 1, we are getting normal A. Please write down. We call this method for SOP method. If it is 0, we are getting bar. If it is 1, we are getting A. Please write down the corner of the notebook. We call this method as SOP method. We have another method in POS method. I will teach you in the next. A, B, 0 and 1. Are you guys okay up to this one? If it is 0, it's getting A bar because this is the side of A. This is the side of B. If it is 1, you can get just 1, no bar. If it is B0, we are getting B bar. If it is B1, it is just B, no bar. Now we are going to mark the statement inside the table. Which location we can find the A dot B bar? From the upper A and B bar from here. Where we can find the A dot B bar. Right, nice. A is coming from here, B bar is coming from here. The crossing location is here. We are putting 1. How we get that? A is coming from here, B bar is coming from here. The both are crossing from into this box. That's why I put 1 here. Then what is the location of AB? If you have done, please send the image. Then what is the location of AB? Easy, easy. A is here, B is here. The crossing location is here. Now we are going to group. We have rules in group. We can only group 2. What is the rule of group? Group rules. Group rules is you can only group 2, 4, 8 and 16 only. You cannot group 3. Nice, huh? Someone is giving us answers. Thanks. Vertical 2 group. You can get these 2 as 1 group. Please write down with me. Then now we finish. Then write down the element what we group. The first one is A, B bar. The second one is inside the group A, B. Then cut the different peoples from the both statement. Who are the difference in this statement? Is that A or B? Who are the different peoples? Is that A or B? Yeah, B is difference. Right? The one B have B bar. There's another one B is normal B without bar. Then we can cut the B bar and B. The final answer is A. When we cut the B and B bar, we are getting the final answer is A. Now you got my point. The K-map answer and the Boolean law simplification answer is both are same. Did you all understand? Shall we try another one? Please write down and give a thumbs up. I will give you another example. When you are circling, we have laws, grouping rules 2, 4, 8, 16. You cannot group 3, 5, 7. That's wrong. Eh? You need to group 2, 4, 8, 16. Then the end of the statement, you need to cut the different peoples. Shall we move to the next one? Are you guys okay? These are theory. Yeah? You can write down the corner of the. You can write down the corner of the book. What you? SOP method 0 mean A bar. SOP method 1 mean A. That's why we put A and A bar here. If it is 0, we put A bar. If it is 1, A. Shall you do another one? Now you can do past papers. After one or more example, you can continue the past papers. Shall I clean the board? Are you guys still writing? Done. When you say done, what about others? Shall I clean the board? Right. Let's go to the another one. I will give you a little bit difficult one. Now you don't want to simplify with the Boolean laws. Only use the K-map. Don't write with Boolean laws. Only use K-map. Right. Second exercise. Let's do it. Please write down 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ABC. A, B, C plus A, B, C plus 5. A, B, C plus A, B, C plus A, B, C plus A, B, C plus A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first one, have only C bar. Second one, there is no bar. The third one, A and B have bars. Fourth one, only B have bar. Fifth one, only A have bar. You need to simplify with K-map. What will be the table count? Please give me answer. What will be the table count? Please give it first. What will the table count? Nice, good. 8, 8, 8. Let's draw table with 8. I will help you with this one little bit. Right, 1, 2, 3. I will draw it a little bit big. You can start. We can put A, B for the up and B for the down. This is the origin. Upper of the origin, you can put A, B and B for the this side. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you know what is 1, what is 0. If it is 0, 0, both A and B are getting bar. If it is 0, 1, only A have bar, B have not bar. A, B both have bar in the 0, 0. Then 0, 1 mean A bar B. If it is both are 1, there is no bar for the A and B. The last row, A is getting not bar, B is getting a bar. In the B side, same like the previous one, 0 and 1. 0 mean B bar, 1 mean B. Now you can mark the statement in the table. Let's start. I will show you one, then you can do the rest. I will mark the first one, A, B, C bar. Where is A, B? A, B is here. C bar. Sorry. Here we have C. I make a mistake. A, B, here we have C. No one told. A, B, C. If it is 0, C bar, it is C. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got a mistake. Upper side is AB, the downside is C. Then 0 means C bar, 1 means C. Then we are going to mark the first statement A, B, C bar. We have A, B here, C bar here. The crossing location is here. Are you guys okay? Please give a thumbs up. If you have done, please give a thumbs up. Please put a comment. We have done, sir. This is the first one. The next one is ABC. There is no any bar in this statement. AB is here, C bar is here. Not the C bar, is in the zoo. We are getting C bar. I have done 2. Next one is A bar, B bar, C. We have A bar, B bar, C. Where is the A bar, B bar, C? If you have done, please send us the image. Nice. We got one answer from Hansika. I'm checking that. Let's check. Hansika's answer is correct. You can continue. We have first answer from Hansika. Nice. Next one is A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar is here. C is here. You can put the one here. Because A bar, B bar coming from upper. C is coming from here. The crossing location is here. Next one is A, B bar, C. Only B have bar. A, B bar is here. C is here. The last one is A bar, B, C. A bar, B, where is the A bar? Here. A bar, B is here and C is here. Did you all get the idea of the adding one? Did you get the idea? Did you understand? If you are okay, please put a comment. If you don't understand, no sir, please tell us again. Please give us comment. Now we have another answer from Manu. I will check in that. Please put the answers, others. Now you can circle. There's a circle rules. You only have to circle 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 16. We have another answer from Imasha. Let's check answer of the Imasha. Right. Imasha, you can continue. Your circle rules are correct. Please get the final answer. Right, now we are going to circle. The first one is I will take yellow color. If I am circling 4 groups, right, that's my first one. I am getting second one as we have to take this one. I am taking 2 groups. I'll take in the color as blue. Nice. I have now 2 groups. Let's complete the yellow color group first. I will write it in yellow color. The first one have A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. The second one have only A bar, B, C. The third one have A, B, C, no any bar. The fourth one have A, B bar, C, only B bar have. A, B bar C. Now start the cutting. Different people. Who are the different people here? Is that A, B, or C? A is difference, right? There are two A bars and A. You can cut it. Right. Right. We are cutting A. What about B? B. We can cut. Here B bar, B bar. You can cut it. There's only C is all the element are same. C. The answer is C. Now we have completed the yellow color one. What about the blue color circle? Let's destroy him. In the blue color circle, we have 2, 1. I will write it here. Blue color circle. In the blue color circle, we have A, B, C bar. Are you guys okay? In the next one is A, B, C. Who is going to cut here? Is that A, B, C? Who is going to cut here? What about others? Please put the chat. Who is going to cut in the blue circle? Is that A, B, or C? Who is the difference one? Nice, thank you. Everyone is studying. C is difference because C have a bar, the another one have without bar. You can cut the C. Now you can keep the answer as A, B. Right, we have finished. Now the final answer is, please write down. SOP answer is, you can get the AB from there plus C. This is the final answer after simplify with Karnoff map. Someone has been write down this way. You can keep C plus AB. Both are correct. You can write C first and plus AB as second. Did you get understand, everyone? Are you guys okay? Give me a comment in the chat if you get understand, if it is good. Please put a comment about the up to today's lesson. Are you guys okay? Did you understand? If anyone need single medium video recording, please give me a chat. I can provide. This is a gift. If you need more with English single medium to understand, I will give you the video link. You can chat with me WhatsApp. I can share. Shall I give you another one? Shall we try another one? Shall I clean the board? Are you guys okay? Right. What will it do like this way? If you have a table like this, origin x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. 0 means z bar, 1 means z. Right? If you have 1 like this way, there's another one, 1, 1. What is the group number you are going to circle? The all ones are in the corner of the K-map. What we are going to do? We have one answer from Manut. What about others? What is the group number you are going to take? Is that 2 or 4 or 8? We can't get 8. What will be the answer? 2 or 4? Nice, nice. We can get 4 lamai. If it is all the ones are in the corner, you can get all the corner as one group. It's like 4. Please make it in the note. If it is all the one are in the corner, you can take all the one as one group. It's number 4. Group number 4. How it get? It's getting, if you are bending each and every corner into the inside, we are getting all one into nearest point. Then we can get the number as 4. That's why we are getting group as 4. If you find anything like this in the exam, don't worry, don't afraid. You can get the one group as 4. Here, x, y both have bar, x, y, x, y, x, y bar, x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. The first one have both x and y bar. The second one have only y and z bar. The third one have x bar, y bar, no bar for the z. The fourth one have only y bar. Now we are going to cut the different peoples. Z is difference, x is difference. Only the final answer is y bar. Did you all get my point? Because we can get the corners element as one group. Are you guys okay? Please make it note. This is very important thing. Sometimes if you get in the exam. Shall I clean the board? If you guys done, please give a thumbs up. I can give you another example. Please take a screenshot. You have a smartphone. Smart people. Right. Please circle this one and find the final answer. I will give you 3 minutes. You need to circle. How many groups here? First, tell me how many groups here. 2. Someone is 2. Hansika said 2. What about others? You can circle. Imasha said 2. Hansika said 2. Manut said 2. Right. We have 2 groups. First one is 4. You can finish that in one group. What about here? This one? There's a 1 in the corner. What we do for the corner man? What is the group number? We can do that. What we can do him? You can circle him, the 2 corner, as 2 group. Now you can get the final answer. Please write down and remove the difference elements. Write down and remove the difference elements. What will be the final answer? If you have any questions, please WhatsApp me. If you are doing papers, I have helped last week, therefore for many months. If you have any problems, please send us message. Like us, comment us, follow us. What? So can you only circle corner numbers when there is only 1 number in the other side? You can't circle only 1 element. In the exam they are giving, however, it's getting circle with the corner. If you are getting like this way, you can get the end corners as 2 groups. Normally in the exam, they are giving you to easy to circle. Not they are giving complex tables. Don't worry. However, there is a method to circle. It's like corner 2 element O in the inside. Right, now we have final answers from many people. I will give you the final answer. The final answer is, I will take the first blue one, blue color group, X, Y, Z, Y have bar. Next one is X, Y bar, Z. The different element is X, Y bar, Z. We are getting from the blue. Next one is yellow color 4 element, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. So first one have only Z bar. Next one is have no bar. Third one is Y and Z. Fourth one is Y bar. So the different element is Y is different, Z is element, X is not, X is common for all. The final answer is SOP equal X plus Y bar Z. This is the final answer. Have you all got this one? If you are okay, please give a thumbs up. Shall I clean the board? Are you guys okay? Next, we are going to do as the last one, the big one. Next week we are doing 2 past papers, 2 or 3 past papers, and there are some small theory parts we need to complete. After that, after next week, the lesson is over. Lesson is complete. Next week we are trying the full 15 marks AL ICT question, right? Next week you can clearly confirm you can do it or not. Sure. After the K-map lesson, we can start the what do you need? We can suggest. We can start anything. What will be difficult for your hard lessons? What are the hard lessons you are in face problems? We can do the hard lesson first. Then the IoT parts, ICT in lessons, the first lesson and second lesson, they are not difficult. So we can complete the hard lesson first. Then you can you can make free. Programming part we can start. You mean Python? But I will check and inform what is the next lesson. Most probably I will pick a hard lesson for the next one, like the K-map part. There's another lesson in network. We have more than 15 marks in the network lesson. There's a full questions from the network lesson. It should also need to do. I'm 100% sure I can give you the 15 marks for the Boolean and K-map part. Don't worry. I will make you best on that. Right. Let's go to the next one fast. I'm cleaning the board. What about this? Please draw with me. We have 16 in the table. How much is it? Origin A, B, C, D. If you have 4 English letters, we are getting table with 16. Now you know 2 into 4, we are getting 16. It is same like the previous one, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you know what is 0. If it is 0, it is getting bar. If it is 1, there is no bar. I will mark the ones inside the table. Then you can start circling. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right, now you can start the circle. Are you guys clear this one? There's one here, there's another one here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Time will start now. You can start the circle. Meantime, please write the A, B, C, D here. A, B bar both are having bar. Only A, B, bar. It's very easy to find the final answer after the circle. C, D both having bar. C, D only C have bar. C, D, C not C, D have bar. How many groups you can circle in this one? Anyone have answers? How many groups you can circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is wrong. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups? We have another answer from 3. I can get the 3 as correct one. It's 3, ne? How will you get 3? You can get this 4 as one group, as the yellow one. Then you can get the corner as 1, 4 group. That color is not, I not seen it. You can get the corners, all 4 values in one group. Then we only have 1 here. Eh? You can make it 2 group. You can make these 2 as one group. Now you can see we have 3 groups here. Please always make the highest value of the group. Always try to make highest group. Here we have red color one and yellow color one and white color one. What will be the final answer? First, we will take the yellow color group. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. The first one have only C bar. Second one have B and C. Third one have only no any bar. Fourth one B bar only. Then you can cut the different peoples. You can cut B and C. The answer will be get A and D. Did anyone get this answer? Please give a thumbs up. Nice. What about the corner values? We have four element group in the corner. I'll take it as white color because I have put them in white color. The 4 corners. Again 4 A, B, C, D. 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 The first one have all have bars. The second one have B, C, D. B, C, D bar. Third one only have A, B, D. A, B, sorry. A, B, D. The fourth one B and D. B and D. Right. We are going to cut the different elements. C is difference. A is difference. Here we are getting B bar, D bar. The last one is red color group. What we are going to the red color group? Right and cut. Yeah, these two. Red color group. We have two. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What about first one? First one have only A and C bar. The second one have A, B and only C bar. Now we are going to cut. A is difference. Others are okay. Ne? B, C bar, D. Nice. Red colors you cannot see. Ne? A bar, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. Different one is A. So the final answer is B, C bar, D. So final answer is SOP equal B, C bar, D plus A, D plus, you can mix the values, no problem. B bar, D bar. This is the final answer. Are you guys okay? Is that my answer is correct? Is that matching with your answer? Yes. How about the today lesson? Are you guys okay? Are you guys get confidence? Boolean expression simplification, K-map part. Are you guys okay? Are you get understand? Give me a comment. Give us comment. Give us a little comment. What about today? Are you guys okay? Please write down and give us comment in the comment section. What about today? Are you got to understand? If you have any problems, give us that too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the comments. Thank you. Right. Let's prepare next week with past papers. Next week we hope to do 2019, 2021, 2020. And we are completing the module with logic gate next week. After that, we hope to do the another lesson. I will inform you what will be the next lesson. However, next week we are completing this logic gate part. Okay. I have taken more time to this lesson. If it is we are doing this one in fast, you again face the problem with understanding. So I will take. So that's the reason I have taken 3 days for this lesson. Okay. We will have 3 recordings. If anyone needs singular recordings in single medium, I can provide with YouTube link. Okay. Otherwise, others if others are okay, we can move on to the next one. So, shall we wind up this session? Are you guys okay? Any questions? You can put in the chat. If you have any problems, you can put in the chat. I can answer. If you have any questions, you can ask from WhatsApp. You can send through the WhatsApp. Then I can give answers. If you have no problems, you can leave. Thank you for the comments, guys. You can change the answer order. Imasha, are you okay? You can change the answer order. You can write the B bar, D bar first. Don't mix inside that. If you have any answer, if you have any questions, you can ask.